In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create distribution list in Outlook. To get started, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create the list. A distribution list, also called a contact list in Outlook, is a simple way to group multiple recipients together so you can email everyone at once without typing each address every time. This is especially helpful if you regularly contact the same team, department, or group of people. Once Outlook is open, go to the People section. This is where your contacts are managed, and it's also where you can create lists that make sending group emails much faster and more organized. Depending on your version of Outlook, the People option may appear in the navigation bar or menu, but it will lead you to your contact management area. After you're in the People section, click New Contact. When the options appear, choose New Contact List. This opens the setup window for your new distribution list. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the Contact List option and not a standard individual contact, since the goal is to create a group rather than a single entry. Now, enter the list name, the description, and the recipients. For the list one is unique to a name, choose something clear and easy to recognize so you can find it quickly later. The description is useful for adding a little context about the purpose of the list, especially if you plan to create several lists over time. Then add the recipients you want included in the group. Be sure to review the names or email addresses carefully so the right people are added. A well-named and accurately built list saves time and helps prevent sending messages to the wrong contacts. Once everything is filled in and looks correct, click Create. Outlook will then save the new contact list, and from that point on, you can use it whenever you want to send an email to that group. Instead of adding each person one by one, you'll simply select the list name, and Outlook will handle the rest. That's all it takes to create a distribution list in Outlook. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in your daily workflow, especially if you send repeated emails to the same people. After creating your list, it's a good idea to update it from time to time so it stays accurate and useful.